When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.